Hi. Are you confused about various technologies and roles like data scientist, blockchain, DevOps, machine learning, etc., and wonder what each one does? Well, you won't be confused anymore after watching this video. Stay till the end to understand this with the help of an easy example. Before we go ahead, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Each technology role has its own specific function and purpose, but they can all work together to create a comprehensive and effective application. Here are some brief explanations of each role and how they can be integrated. Data scientists. Data scientists are responsible for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting large amounts of data. They use statistical and machine learning techniques to identify patterns and insights from data. Data scientists would collect and clean the data used to train the machine learning model. They would also create a model that can predict what products a user might be interested in. Machine learning engineers. Machine learning engineers are responsible for developing and deploying machine learning models. They work closely with data scientists to implement models that can be used in real-world applications. Machine learning engineers would take the data and model created by data scientists and use them to build a recommendation engine. This would involve training the model on the data and deploying it so that it can make predictions in real time. Cloud engineers. They are responsible for designing, building, and maintaining cloud infrastructure. They ensure that applications are secure, scalable, and reliable. Cloud engineers would provide the infrastructure needed to store and process the data used by the recommendation engine. This might include setting up a database to store user browsing and purchase history, as well as a server to run the machine learning model. Blockchain developers. They are responsible for designing and implementing blockchain solutions. They use cryptography and distributed systems to create secure and decentralized applications. Blockchain technology could be used to provide secure, decentralized storage of user data used by the recommendation engine. This would ensure that user data is kept private and secure, while still allowing the machine learning model to access it when making recommendations. DevOps. It is a set of practices that combines software development and its operations. It emphasizes collaboration and automation to improve the speed and quality of software delivery. DevOps engineers would manage the deployment and operation of the recommendation engine. They would ensure that the server running the model is always up and running, and that any issues with the model are quickly resolved. Full-stack developers. They are responsible for developing both the front-end and back-end of an application. They use a combination of programming languages and frameworks to create a cohesive user experience. Full-stack developers would build the e-commerce website and integrate the recommendation engine into it. This would involve creating a front-end user interface that displays recommended products to users, as well as a back-end API that communicates with the machine learning model. These technology roles are interconnected in several ways. For example, data scientists work closely with machine learning engineers to develop and deploy machine learning models. Cloud engineers work with both data scientists and machine learning engineers to ensure that applications are scalable and reliable. Blockchain developers and DevOps engineers work together to ensure that blockchain applications are secure and efficient. Full-stack developers work with all of these roles to develop a cohesive and functional application. To illustrate how these technologies can be integrated in an application, let's consider an example of a ride-sharing app. Data scientists can use historical ride data to identify patterns in user behavior and predict demand for rides. Machine learning engineers can develop algorithms to optimize routes and pricing based on this data. Cloud engineers can ensure that the app is scalable and reliable, even during periods of high demand. Blockchain developers can use blockchain technology to create a secure and transparent payment system. DevOps engineers can ensure that the app is continuously deployed and updated to improve the user experience. Full-stack developers can create a seamless user interface that allows users to easily request and track their rides. In summary, these technology roles are interdependent and can work together to create a comprehensive and effective application. By leveraging the strengths of each role, developers can create applications that are scalable, secure, and user-friendly. I hope now you have a good understanding of how various technologies are interlinked and used in an application. For more such content, please like the video and subscribe the channel.